Nuggets drooling face. Delicious and healthy winking face. We prepare crackers or take ready-made ones. I prefer to cook it myself, it's better not to dry out the bread. Add salt, paprika, and turmeric to the bread crumbs for color. Chicken breast. 1 egg. Salt, pepper, khmelasunal, any seasonings you like. Olive oil 2 to 3 tablespoons. Bake at 200 degrees, top-bottom mode. For the last 5 minutes I change the mode to convection for a golden brown crust. Bon appetit! Now this is my favorite potato side dish, and if you serve it with fish, it's absolutely perfect. So let's get started. Peel the potatoes and cut into as thin slices as possible. Pour 10% or 20% cream into a thick-bottomed pan, add potatoes, nutmeg, black pepper, salt and a couple of cloves of grated garlic. Stir, bring to a boil and cook for another 5 to 7 minutes until half cooked. Grease the mold with butter. Of course I forgot to do this. Lay out the potatoes and sprinkle with grated cheese and bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. And for golden brownness I use 5 minutes before it's ready. I just turn on the grill mode and, in general, the delicious side dish is ready to serve. All the best to everyone. Cheese roll. Add 2 eggs and 2 tablespoons sour cream to the cheese. Mix everything well and spread our cheese dough on parchment. Flattened and put in the oven. For the filling I have minced meat with onions and spices, and mushrooms fried with onions. We already have such a beautiful cheese pancake. We spread the filling, sprinkle with green stuff and roll it into a roll. Nice and thorough, so that nothing leaks out. Bon appetit! No need for shish kebab anymore. This is the most delicious meat and potatoes in a frying pan. Fry the onion for 3 minutes and add to the meat. Fry the potatoes in butter until golden brown. Add some salt, ground black pepper, ground coriander, chopped garlic and parsley. If you watched this video at 1 in the morning, then run to the refrigerator to cook.